Hey, everybody, it's a new day, but the same kind of havoc is being wreaked on Fani Willis. There's just another L, man. She's taken yet another L. Ever since the YSL trial, she has not stopped collecting L's. So let's check this one out. Shout out to Robert. Let's go.
Fani Willis and her battle against the Senate. A judge has ruled that the Georgia State Senate can subpoena Fani Willis as part of an inquiry into whether she was engaged in misconduct. Willis, not happy about this at all, said, "We believe the ruling is wrong and will appeal this." Now, I look forward to Willis honoring the subpoena and providing documents and testimony to our committee. Fani Willis not escaping so easily. A Georgia court just ordered saying she must respond to subpoenas that are coming her way from the Senate. The judge who issued this is seen in this article from Fani Willis and her battle against the Senate. A judge has ruled that the Georgia State Senate can subpoena Fani Willis as part of an inquiry into whether she was engaged in misconduct. Fulton County Superior Court Judge, there it is, Shukura Ingram filed the order on Monday, and the AP is just reporting it, telling Willis that she's got until January 13th to submit arguments over whether the subpoenas can go after her or whether she will be legally shielded from having to respond. Ingram wrote that she would issue the final order later saying what Willis had to respond to. Willis, not happy about this at all, said, "We believe the ruling is wrong and will appeal this," said Governor Roy Barnes, who testified on her behalf and is now representing her. He wrote that in an email to the AP. A state appeals court earlier this month removed Fani from the election interference case because of her noxious odor and the appearance of impropriety that might not typically warrant such a removal, saying the Georgia Court of Appeals said in a 2-to-1 ruling that because of the romantic relationship, this is a rare case in which disqualification is mandated. No other remedy is going to restore public confidence to the integrity of these proceedings. Now, Willis's offices immediately filed a notice of appeal on that case as well. The Republican-led Senate did send subpoenas to her. She responded, saying, "I'm not responding." The committee
Right.
was formed earlier this year to examine various allegations of misconduct. The resolution creating the committee focused in particular on Willis and her hiring of Wade, her lover. The resolution said the relationship amounted to a clear conflict of interest. Barnes, the governor who testified during that hearing, who was Fani Willis's attorney, argued the Senate committee did not have the power to subpoena her. He said that the subpoenas were overly broad, not related to legitimate legislative needs, and we read through a lot of that here. But the challenge was pending in mid-September when she skipped a hearing. In October, the committee asked the judge to require Willis to comply with the subpoenas. The lawyers wrote in a court filing that her failure to appear had delayed its ability to do its job. And Judge McAfee ruled, yeah, well, they had a tremendous lapse in judgment, but McAfee said that it was all fine as long as Nathan Wade got the boot. One wrinkle in the proceedings is that the current Georgia legislative term is going to end January 13th, and so they're trying to stall this out. Delay, delay, delay. However, Republican State Senator Greg Dolezal said last week that he's going to file legislation to reestablish the committee as soon as 2025 starts. He says, look, we're not letting this thing expire. The law is clear. The ruling confirms what we all know. Judge Ingram rejected every argument made by Willis in her attempt to dodge providing testimony to the committee under oath. Now, I look forward to Willis honoring the subpoena and providing documents and testimony to our committee. And the Lieutenant Governor, Burt Jones, also said that he's going to support Dolezal's move, saying that Willis and her refusal to come before this committee is unacceptable, and addressing these issues will require accountability and will be a priority for the Senate. So Fani Willis, obviously not going to be happy about that. The judge is seen here in this photograph. Fulton County Superior Court judge said, Fani can give me specific objections as to the subpoena and different things that you may not want to testify about, but you cannot just have a blanket refusal to comply with the subpoena. Fox News saying, of course, Fani Willis plans to appeal. Roy Barnes saying,
Of
we believe the
course.
ruling is wrong and we will appeal it. So Fani Willis is having a tough time. She is
Oh,
now disqualified from the prosecution. She's now under investigation from the Georgia Senate, and she has to respond to that. So she's in 2 different appeals. One appeal for the disqualification, which she's probably going to lose, and that case is probably dead. Now it's going to go over to the Georgia Prosecution Board, and they'll make a determination on whether some other prosecutor is going to take it. But nobody's going to want to inherit Fani in Wade's disgusting banker box full of case files. Nobody wants that sent to their house for them to look through. So with that one on hiatus, and with Fani now having to play ball with the Senate, and with new DOJ and FBI leaders in Pam Bondi and Kash Patel coming in to take the helm at the federal level, Fani Willis is in hot water, and we're going to be here continuing to cover it.
I appreciate it, man. That was good. So that's yet another L for Fani. What do y'all think about it? Let me know down in the comments below. Thank you. Everybody's helped me work our way this channel to 50,000 subscribers by April 31st of this year. Thank you so very much for liking the video, sharing, and all that kind of great commentary. I appreciate it. I'll see y'all down in the comments. And until next time, grace and peace.
Hit that like for deal with Christian. Yo, for deal with Christian. Smash that bell for DLC. Yo, smash it. Just smash it. Hit that like for deal with Christian. For deal with Christian. Smash that bell for DLC. Yo, smash it. Just smash it. Hit that like for deal with Christian.